good morning. Blood spill management we will see. So immediately we need to activate code orange. In case less than 30 ml, not required activating code orange. More than 30 ml, we need to activate code orange. So how to activate code orange? You need to dial 7777. 3 times you want to announce and exact place you want to say. Then receptionist people they will announce the 3 times. So housekeeping team will come for to do the procedures. So immediately this is question board. You want to put the question board near the blood spill area. Okay, correct. Opposite to question board you want to put. Then we have blood spill kit. Each department one kit we have. This is blood spill kit, and this is our written what material have. Okay. Then this is our blood spill procedures. So it is written how to do. So now just we will see how to do blood spill procedures. First we will open the blood spill kit. Put the PP required PP on PP need to put. This is mask. So hold the mask and put the mask like this. Okay, down and fit the mask properly. Then immediately we need, this is because more than 30 ml, so you need to put the goggles, then shoe cover, then cap, then gloves. This is glove. This is big glove, so we want to put the gloves. After putting gloves, put the tissue paper on the blood, okay, and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Will wait. Same time you prepare the sodium hypochlorite. Our hospital sodium hypochlorite concentrated 4%. We need to prepare the 1%. This is water bottle, 1 liter water bottle, and this is the spray bottle. So bring the water and sodium hypochlorite keep. Now 3 part of water and 1 part of sodium hypochlorite. Means you are preparing, you are making 1%. So 3 part means for 1 liter of water, 750 ml of water and 250 ml of sodium hypochlorite we need to put in the spray bottle. It will become 1%. 750 ml of water and 250 ml of sodium hypochlorite. So it will become 1% sodium hypochlorite. After preparing, then we need to spray the surrounding area. Then you remove with the use of cardboard or this is have in blood spill kit. Okay, so and put in the biomedical waste yellow bag. After you put the tightly, you close it and label the which area blood spill. Then you mop the floor and same mop you disinfect with the sodium. Then remove all your PP, wash your hand, clear the blood spill, all whatever removed items you want to keep in the again in spill kit and inform the ICM or your HOD. Thank you.